did see this. What do we have here? Probably our best deal, everybody. A $10 unit. I hired a camera person. No, it's my awesome wife.
Hello.
Yeah, this one, $10. And it was kind of junky, but I was at least excited. I saw a paintball gun, okay? And then I saw like weight training stuff, and I was like, oh, this is a guy's unit, okay? This is something I do know a little bit about. But there she is. Ah, yeah, that's a gun case right there. There's a gun box. Now, sadly, this unit had been up for auction before, so there's a good chance that some of the stuff is gone. But yeah, I saw that gun, just paintball gun. I saw the barbells. I can't believe it only went for $10. So either they already know the good stuff's gone, or we just like scored big time. Okay, so we were excited, but Springfield, empty case, and we did see this. Yeah. Empty. Empty, empty, empty. Here's the keys for the lock, but nothing of value there. There's a sock.
Ew.
With a skateboard. Probably cheap, but I don't know. Put it in our yard sale pile, maybe. Okay. I'm probably the most excited for like what you really couldn't get back to, because a lot of this, we're not gonna bore you with it. I mean, there's wires. There's a portable DVD writer, but it's just a lot of hodgepodgey stuff. Old cell phone boxes that feels empty, and it is. What do we have here? See?
Oh, okay.
We made all of our money back. Yeah. Sawzall. Cordless. Yeah, all battery powered, everything. Cobalt. Saw. Just DeWalt bits. Yep, there's a few in there. Some long battery charger. We've sold one of these before. Another battery. Right there.
Awesome.
Is that worth $10?
That was totally worth it.
Is that worth the $10?
If we find nothing else.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're in the profit. So she's been more of the naysayer. She's just like, I don't know. But this one was $10. So it was like a no-brainer.
I mean, you can't naysay $10.
No-brainer. I don't know. We probably have, I'd say, even on Marketplace, we'd get like $200 for just this stuff. I think that's safe to say. All right, we dug one piece of furniture out, a unique chair. You can go to the thrift store. This table's kind of interesting. I was like,
those wheels look maybe a little older.
Give it some age, but a little like breakfast cart. I don't know. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
The reason I bought it, because I recognize this. We're finding a lot of this.
There's a theme.
I don't know if this was like the secret spot. I've heard about that. They're like, oh yeah, you know, they quit drinking at home. They just come here and hang out. I don't know, but this was the only thing that was kind of curious. Had a bunch of like LLCs and dates and stuff, so I don't know. At first, maybe there was going to be collectibles, like they were selling stuff. Don't know. Oh, it's like a Dremel?
Dremel?
Okay. Hold on to that. Get more of the bottles out of the way. Oh, it's empty. Or it feels empty, whatever it was. Parts for something. I don't know. Yes. Oh
nice.
yeah, the Spider. Yeah, automatic trigger. It's a little older, but hey, maybe marketplace. I don't know. Have we sold paintball guns in the past?
I'm not sure.
I don't remember, but empty box. Is there anything down in here? Oh, look at the frog.
Oh, frog.
Combo heat press machine. Something hooks to it there. Oh, the one chip challenge. Oh, I hope you passed. I hope. I guess this is for the heat press. I have no idea what that is.
Is it for like clothes?
Oh, for t-shirts and stuff. Yeah. It's a small press machine. I don't know. We can look it up.
Yeah.
See if it's worth
there's
anything.
Vinyl transfer paper and...
Well, let's see. Well, first, I'm gonna pump some iron. We thought these were stepping stones. He made his own concrete, like, weights. I'm guessing under here. Is that what that is? Yeah.
There you go. That's crazy.
Oh, we were just looking through that other tote.
Oh,
Guess
is that the heat press thing?
This is the heat press machine.
Okay.
That's the top of it. Oh, that might be like a marketplace deal.
Okay.
So I think this is a stand for it.
Maybe.
Yeah, so you're not on the floor. Yeah, this goes up here.
And it stamps. Okay.
Well, in other news, this kind of grody lazy boy that she doesn't want, it's an actual lazy boy. Do you think it works?
There it goes.
Yeah, it needs a cleaning.
It does. I can't believe you're sitting on it.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, okay.
The Cameo Silhouette. The Cameo 4.
So what does that do?
Vinyl printer.
Oh, so that makes your vinyl
print your
cutouts and
vinyls
stuff?
and then you stick them
Okay.
onto the shirt. We got our own little business.
I know.
Right
Just
here.
set up and learn how to make our own merch.
What would we even put on merch?
I don't know.
Like leave a comment.
Yeah, what could we put on
What
it?
do you
Other than just
know about our channel that
Fun
you
time
would say
flipping.
that's us? Like, I don't know,
Maybe
Josh
we
is
could
always
just make-
wrong.
No.
Wear gloves. I don't know. Art kit.
Yeah. Pencils or markers or
No.
Okay.
A picture. There it is.
Okay, we were right.
Paint your own canvases. A little bit excited. I mean, I'm leaning against a gross mattress, but there is a giant tote down here.
Ooh, that's big.
That's completely closed.
That's big. Okay.
And would this have been like an area that was hard to get to?
Probably.
Okay. Take a moment to clear a pathway, and then we'll get to that tote. All right, toolbox. And it's got stuff in it. Doesn't sound like tool stuff. Tools or t-shirt making stuff? What do you think?
It was back there with the t-shirt stuff, but I'm gonna still hope tools.
Neither. Well, how about both? There's yarn. There's another saw. There's the stud finder.
Okay.
Or edge or something.
Some
Hot glue gun.
cooking spray.
Hot glue. It's a hodgepodge.
Yeah.
So we're both right. We're both right. The toolbox itself. I mean, that would go quick at a yard sale. All right, a big giant tote.
What's it gonna be?
What's your guess? Liquor bottles. I know that. And they seem to kind of get into like arts and crafts a bit.
Yeah. Maybe more of that kind of stuff.
Or just clothes.
No, no clothes.
Okay.
What?
I was excited because I saw this box?
What is that? Bullets?
These are 9mm.
Huh.
These will be a personal keep. I'll keep those. Always ready, always on. Nothing. Boost. Ready. Cleaning kit. Oh. Do you think anything's in here? What do you think? What do you think?
I don't know. I feel like it's still a hodgepodge of
It is very hot.
all kinds of stuff.
Probably another cleaning kit.
Old
old phones. Was this the...
Oh gosh.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
See, your phone doesn't look that bad.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is obliterated.
Or that was a bad breakup. Alright, I don't know what that is.
I don't either.
A water bottle. Just peeling it back layer by layer like an onion. This is a case of some sort.
Empty.
Nothing. Nothing.
Empty toolbox stuff. Oh, wow.
More tools. Plant. Camera tripod. Another like camera mount. Odds and ends pieces. What is this?
What is that? It says Omega on this side.
Hey!
Oh, look at there, a PS3.
PS3. Looks a little roached.
Yeah.
But if it works enough to test some games, I need one to test games. I do. Another little jigsaw. What is this? This has been in here for a hot minute. More speaker wire. Coffee pot. We're in the money.
It's a nice planner.
Uh-huh. The Legend Planner. Make $1,000. Make $1 million in the same month.
What? Some big goals.
Make $1 million in the same month. Make a platinum record. Raise successful children. Have a successful relationship. Star in a movie. And do a song with Jay-Z.
He had some big dreams.
Like, reach
Go
for
you.
the top.
Go you.
Yeah, reach for the top. I like that. I like that. Hopefully he hit some of those.
You know what?
We don't know.
If nothing else, raise good children.
Like,
If nothing else.
I mean, it's better to fail in originality to succeed in imitation.
There you go, MJ.
Mike Jackson 2019 calendar. You know, I was diehard like MJ fan growing up. I mean, scars to prove it, okay? Dancing on the couch, busting my head, listening to Thriller. And that's some kind of weird board. I don't know. There's so many pieces that I'm scared
A lot of artwork.
to throw away.
You don't want to hold on to that nice Avatar piece right there?
Where?
That's Avatar.
Oh, that goes above our bed. Right there. I mean, he was working on the artwork.
Okay.
There's beauty's in the eye of the beholder. But hey, a really big tote too.
That's true.
It's a really big tote. All right, so everything you see back in there is just big, bulky furniture. We've kind of gone through everything. It wasn't a lot. This was like a 5x10. Wasn't a big unit, but I'm happy. $10, okay? The breakfast table you were able to look up.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna get like $50 for it. That's the tray to it. And then those nesting tables were way back in the back. Like that might be another take to the thrift store. If we want to clean it, we can, but not too bad. Let this guy go by. The pull-up bars, the tools. I mean, is there anything I'm leaving out? The t-shirt hole.
Yeah, we'll figure out all that. We've got that silhouette thing. Yeah, all those tools.
I think I think on like a low conservative kind of look at everything, I think we got like 350 bucks, maybe $400.
Yeah, I'd say at least 300 bucks.
The paintball gun, the printers, yeah. We'll get this cleaned up. We'll get what we can to the thrift store. And then I think the other great advantage, only one trailer load of trash. I'll get those dressers in here. They're in really rough shape, but only one load of trash, which is only $10 more. So we're all invested $20. Thanks for watching. I know it was a quick one. Hey, my encouragement from this video, make some goals, okay? We're right now heading into 2025. Make $1 million in January. Pick your favorite artist that you want to do a song with, okay? Do you have one?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
We were talking about it in the car. Justin Bieber, hit me up, okay? We're gonna be on the song. We hope you guys have a great one. Hey, Happy New Year if you're watching this right at the end of the year. We're wrapping up 2024, but we want to keep bringing you some great content. We're working on relaunching another channel, okay? If you know our other channels, we have My Dumb Backyard, or Our Dumb Backyard. That's our gardening. We kind of tested that this summer. I think we're going to go full into that next year. We had a channel called the RVias. We're changing a little bit. We're keeping the logo. It's going to be the Real Vias. We're looking at another line of revenue, and we're looking at ways that we're going to keep growing our businesses. So stay tuned. Check those out. I'll have links down in the bottom. Thanks for watching, everybody. This was a lot of fun. This was an easy one. You got anything you want to say?
Thanks for watching.
All right. We'll see you next time here at Fun Time Flipping.